The error code E6 on an LG washer indicates a problem with the clutch. This issue can be caused by a faulty or stuck clutch, a faulty main PCB, or foreign objects lodged in the washer. To fix this issue, start by inspecting the washer's interior. Turn off the washer, remove all items from the wash tub, and use a flashlight to examine the interior, paying special attention to the bottom and the seam between the pulsator and the drum for any debris such as zippers, paper clips, or coins. If found, use pliers to remove these objects. Another solution is to reset the washer by unplugging it directly from the outlet, waiting 3 minutes, and then plugging it back in, which may resolve the issue. If these methods are unsuccessful, it may be necessary to replace the clutch or the main PCB, both of which are complex processes that may require the assistance of a technician.